to another edition of Small Talk for You. This morning I wanted to take a look at a little package in Syncom Small Talk that can be quite useful when you're using the browser. One of the things that you run across quite a bit is you'll have a browser open on, say, this class, and you're looking at this method, and suddenly you think, well, I'm looking at subtract 1, I want to look at the minus method. Well, not really, that's not the one I want to look at, but let's say I want to look at some other method in some other class. So I'll open a browser over here, and I'll go over here and I'll say, okay, now I want to be in this set of packages over here, and I want to look there. And now I need a third browser open because I need to be over here in this set of packages and I need to look there. And suddenly my screen is filled with browsers. This can get kind of uncomfortable and it's very hard to track down which one you actually want. One of the things you can do is go to the View menu and get New View. Now, it's not inherently obvious what's happened here. If I go here, you'll notice there are now two views. I flip back and forth, they're the same, but if I do this, now you'll notice I've got two different ones. Now, that's nice, but it can be even nicer than that. Let's go over here to the Parcel Manager, and if we go to Popular, you'll find there's RB tabbed tool sets. And what it does, you'll see this in a moment when I load it, is it adds the idea of tabs here. So this won't work in this browser. I'm going to close this and open a new one. So let's get this browser here, and we'll open this guy up here. We'll go to View, New. Now notice we have a tab up here. So I'll go up here. Now this says AT Metanumerics. This says Counter. I get a new tab. And you see they keep adding. So I can come over here and say, well, I want that to be on base 64 encoding. Now I see Counter, Metanumerics, and I can flip back and forth with one browser. I don't have to have 10, 15, 20. I don't have them scattered across all the monitors I happen to have open. I can have one browser and just flip to my heart's content. I could have one on the centers and implementers of something. I could have one on the thing I want to look at. Makes it a little easier to compact things down, especially if you have limited screen turf or you just don't want to have to pay as much attention to which browser is which. So it's better for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever small talk you're using.